So this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another nylon band for my Apple Watch Ultra. So you see lovely looking white nylon band. After trying many of the band, finally I'm satisfied with this one. I have many 8, 9, 10 bands. Okay, so finally I'm satisfying with this one. So let me take this off. This is the size you can use Apple Watch normal one as well. 42, 44, 45, 49 millimeter. Here is the band. Wow, looks a quality product. Let me take this as this. You see you have many, 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Lovely, and one more here, so you have very good protection for your watch. Looks good one. Sometimes these are, when you have something smaller, they are sometimes loose in your watch, they move, so it should have good quality. So it's tight, good tight should be good fitting in this case. Look at this very high quality product. Normally you have many prices, €2, €3 you have in AliExpress, but when you want good product you have to pay a little bit more. In this I paid 4 to 5 or more. In Amazon, other places could be 10, 15, 20, depend as you want. Okay, so I'm gonna take this, the other one. This is also good one, similar from same place with another color. Take this off from here. Up. You can use any way you want, doesn't matter. Put this one. Fitting is amazing. Not all the loops or band that you buy other places can fit exactly as the original one. So perfect fitting, you can see, great fitting, looks cool. Let me take this off. This one looks perfect, guys. You see, beautiful color, white, attractive, magnificent, very lovely, cool looking Apple Watch strap or belt for you guys. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.